So exercise 5.2 in that question number 16. Determine the AP whose third term is, that is A3 is equal to 16. Okay. And seventh term exceeds the fifth term. Seventh term is this one. Exceeds the fifth term, that is A5 by 12. Or otherwise you can write A7 is equal to A5 plus 12. That also you can write. So now here A7 minus A5 means what? A plus 6D minus A plus 4D is equal to 12. So A plus 6D minus A minus 4D is equal to 12. So here plus A minus A cancel. 6D minus 4D will be 2D is equal to 12. So D is equal to 12 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 6 are. So D is equal to 6. Now we got the common difference. So what other factors we want to write the AP? We want A and D. So we have to calculate this A. To calculate A means we will use this formula, that is AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So AN means we will use this one A3, that is A3 is equal to, that is third term. N equal to 3 we will take, and A3 is equal to 16 he has given. Okay. So A3 is equal to 16 is equal to A means that only we have to calculate, plus N means 3 minus 1 into 6. 16 is equal to A plus 2, 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 into 6, 12. So A is equal to 16 minus 12. So A is equal to 4. Okay. So A we know, D we know, we can write the AP. So AP can be written as, this is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, like this. Okay. So this is AP, in AP is equal to, A means 4, A plus D means 4 plus 6, that is 10, A plus 2D, 4 plus 12, 4 plus 12 means 16, okay, then 22, like this. 16 plus 6, 22, like this we can write the AP. Find the 20th term from the last term of the AP. So here what we have to find out, this is A20 we have to find out. So how to find out? See, from the last term. So from this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this, 20th term. So actually AP is given, AP is given as 3, 8, 13, up to, this is up to 253. Okay. So now we have to calculate the 20th term from, not from this side. So we have from this side, this is one, first term, second term, third term, fourth term, up to this is 20th term. So this value we have to find out. Here, this value we have to find out. So what we have to write? See here, first we will calculate common difference. So common difference will be same. So here D is equal to 8 minus 3, which is equal to 5. So when you write this AP in reverse order, like this. So first 253 is the first term. Then next one, how to write? This plus 5 is there, means you have to minus 5. So 253 minus 5. 253 minus 5 means how much it is? 248. Okay. Next again minus 5. So 243, like this. So this will be A1. This will be A2. This will be A3. So up to this A20th we have to find out. This is A20th we have to find out. 20th term from this one. This is a reverse AP. So in the forward AP, whatever he has given, here it is common difference will be 5, means this will be negative 5. So because this will be reverse. So hence that is new A1 is equal to 253 and D is equal to minus 5. Because here this is plus 5. So this will be minus 5. So now what we have to calculate? A20. That is A20 is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So A20th value we have to calculate. So this is A20 is equal to, A means what? 253. Okay. Plus N means what? How many number of terms? 20 number of terms. That is 20 minus 1 into D. D means minus 5. So A20 is equal to 253. Here 20 minus 1 means 19. 19 into 5 means here. This is minus. So this is 95. So A20 is equal to 253 minus 95. Okay. How much it is? This will be minus. This is plus 158. So now A20 will be 158. So this term will be 158. So this 158 is the 20th term from this last side. from this last term. So 5.2 question number 18. The sum of the 4th and 8th term of the AP is, that is 4th and 8th term is 24. That is sum of A4 and A8 are 24. And the sum of A6 and A10 is 44. So find the first 3 terms of the AP. That is A1, A2, A3 we have to write. So for writing A1, A2, A3, what we want? We want A and we want D. So for calculating, we can solve these 2 equations. So here we will consider this one. So A4 can be written as A plus 3D plus A8 can be written as A plus 7D is equal to 24. Okay. So here 2A plus 7 plus 3, 10. 10D is equal to 24. This is one equation. Okay. So second one, here A6 means A plus 5D plus A plus 9D is equal to 44. So here A plus A means 2A plus 5 plus 9 means 14D is equal to 44. This is second equation. So solve these 2 equations, that is 2A plus 10D is equal to 24 and 2A plus 14D is equal to 44. So these 2 equations can be solved by elimination method. That is by changing the sign we can subtract. So 2A will be gets cancelled. Plus 10D minus 14D means minus 4D is equal to minus 44 plus 24 means minus 20. So D is equal to minus 20 divided by minus 4. 4 ones are 4 5s are. So minus minus cancel. So D is equal to 5. So after getting D, you can substitute this D value in any one of the equation. Okay. 2A plus 10 into 5, 10D means 10 into 5 is equal to 24. So 2A is equal to 24 minus 10 into 5, 50. Okay. So 2A is equal to 26 minus 26. A is equal to minus 26 divided by 2. So A is equal to minus 13. 2 ones are 2 1 3. So this is A. So here for writing AP, these 2 are sufficient. So first term will be minus 13. So second term will be, you can add D. So adding this one 5. Minus 13 plus 5 means how much? Minus 8. Then again add 5 means minus 3. So again add 5 means plus 2. So like this is the AP. Okay. He has asked for only first 3 terms. So this is first, second, third. This is fourth one. Okay. We will go for next one. So exercise 5.2 in that question number 19. Subbarao started work in 1995 at an annual salary of rupees 5,000 and received an increment. So received an increment of 200 rupees each year. So in which year did his income reach 7,000? So here starting salary at 1995, it is equal to 5,000. So starting salary means starting term of the AP is, that is A is equal to 5,000 rupees. So yearly it is incrementing by 200 rupees. Means the common difference, that is D is equal to 200 it is. So in which year he has got 7,000? That is AN is equal to 7,000. So at which year, at what N he will get 7,000. So we will put a formula. A plus N minus 1 into D. Okay, AN value we know 7,000 is equal to, A means 5,000 plus N only we have to calculate. D is 200. So 200 into N minus 1 is equal to 7,000 minus 5,000. So N minus 1 is equal to 7,000 minus 5,000 means 2,000 is remaining, divided by 200. So 2 zeros cancel, 2 ones are 2 tens are. So N minus 1 is equal to 10. So N is equal to 11. So here at 11th year he will get rupees 7,000 rupees. So means 1995 means in which year did his income will reach. So 1995 you have to add 11. So that it will be in the year 2006 you will get rupees 7,000. So exercise 5.2 question number 20. Ramkali saved rupees 5 in first week, rupees 5 in first week of the year and then increased her weekly savings by rupees 1.75. Rupees 1.75 she is increasing weekly she is increasing 1.75. Weekly she is adding. So if in the nth week, that is nth week, her weekly savings become 20.75. So now find n. So nth term means n we have to calculate. So here a is equal to 5. So d is equal to 1.75 because this is weekly constant amount she is depositing. So an we got, that is 20.75. So we have to calculate that n. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. This is 75 is equal to a means 5 plus n minus 1 into d means 1.75. Okay. So here n minus 1, that is 1.75 into n minus 1 is equal to 20.75 minus 5. So which is equal to, here 5 we have to subtract 15.75. So this is same. So n minus 1 is equal to 15.75 divided by 1.75. So here digits can be arranged as 1575 divided by 175. 5 3 ja 15, 5 5 ja. So 5 3 ja 15, 5 1 ja, so 5 5 ja. So 5 7 ja 35, 5 6 ja 30, so 5 3 ja. So 7 9 ja 63. So n minus 1 is equal to 9, n is equal to 10, that is 9 plus 1. So here, that is on 10th week, she will get rupees 20.75. Thank you.